Hey everyone, I'm Michael from DistroMike, and today we're answering a very popular question. What is THCA? So if you've been in a smoke shop over the past 6 months, a year, you're gonna see a lot of THCA products. Maybe it's a THCA vape, maybe it's THCA flower, or even THCA diamonds or concentrate. THCA is essentially cannabis. So when you grow a real true cannabis plant and you chop that plant down, what the flower actually is THCA, meaning the acidic version of THC. And then when you light the THCA on fire, or you dab it, or you heat the THC up, it's converting into your traditional Delta-9 THC. So THCA in theory really is just cannabis. Now, the reason you're seeing so much THCA in smoke shops, gas stations, convenience stores is due to the 2018 Farm Bill. In the Farm Bill, it states that any products below 0.3% Delta-9 THC are legal and considered hemp. Now, THCA, while when heated up, does convert into Delta-9, in its THCA form, it is not Delta-9. So companies have sort of believed they've uncovered a loophole where you can sell THCA because you're selling a product below 0.3% Delta-9 THC. And then once the consumer or customer buys it, they go to smoke it, it then converts into Delta-9 and they get, your standard normal Delta-9 cannabis high. But when the product was sold, it did not have the Delta-9 potency in it because it was all THCA. Now, the reality of the legal opinion is we aren't really sure. Most people are saying that THCA flower is not legal and it should not be sold in smoke shops and gas stations. And then you've got a whole bunch of brands who are saying, well, we're sort of just going to do it anyways. No one has yet gotten in trouble other than maybe a few smoke shops that have been raided. But there's been no real enforcement on THCA. It gets really iffy and finicky when we talk about THCA diamonds. When you have THCA flower, once the THCA flower sits on the shelf, it starts to degrade, and that THCA turns into Delta-9 THC. THCA flower, there's a very, very high likelihood that it does actually not contain less than 0.3% Delta-9. It most likely has more than 0.3% Delta-9 THC, making it now no longer a hemp product. On the diamond side, though, it's a little bit different because you can get 99.9% THCA diamonds that truly do not contain any Delta-9 THC, even though that once the THCA diamonds are heated up, they convert into Delta-9 THC. In the form that it's being sold in, it does not contain any Delta-9 THC. So this is a rapidly evolving industry. There's a lot of new things you guys have recently seen in the smoke shops, lots of crazy blends, now THCA products. I don't know where this is going to end up. THCA may very well just sort of take over the smoke shop industry, but it also may very well not. We have yet to find out. Time will tell. But I hope that answers your question on what is THCA. In theory, it's just real cannabis. Is it legal under the Farm Bill? That's up for debate. Thank you for tuning in. We are DistroMike, the educational hub for everything CBD, vape, and more.